What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Today we got a crew cab, Silverado, all the way from Hobbs, New Mexico, I believe. I drove it down last night, dropped it off here at Rob's Customs. We're gonna be doing a Starlight headliner on it with 750 stars. Black out his headliner. We're gonna do some black suede. Go from there. We're gonna start tearing it down. Let's check it out. Here's a Silverado. Pretty sick. It's got some Vogues on it. This interior is black out. We're gonna remove the headliner, throw some stars on there, and we are not gonna be color matching these or the plastics, any of the handles, none of that. I'm thinking the customer's gonna do that himself. We're just gonna do the headliner. We'll start by removing everything on the headliner, drop the console. It's nice it doesn't have the center console, because these headliners, you drop them through here, pull them out the passenger doors. It just makes it a lot easier. But alright guys, we got the headliner out. We're gonna go ahead and get it ready for some black suede. Check it out. It's all stripped down. We're gonna go ahead and tape up all these wires up so everything is out of our way when we go installing the headliner back on. So, alright, I'm going to tape all these wires up, get everything nice and clean, and then we'll start with the headliner. Alright guys, quick break from the Starlights. I got my wife and daughter doing them inside. I got another truck in while I wait for the Starlights to be done. We got a 3-piece window. We just installed the sliding window. We did have to remove the window off the pickup to slide in the rails, but as you can see, and it is an electric window, so we did have to replace the mechanism here for the window. I got the customer bringing me a new one so I can go ahead and install it onto the window, and then go ahead and install it onto the truck. That way we can go ahead and put our glue in and put our window back on. Go from there. We're almost done with this one. This is a little side one I picked up while we wait for the Starlights. There she is. Slides in and out. I got it already cleaned up with the primer. Like I said, I'm just waiting on the mechanism. Let's check it out. And I still need to clean the glue off of this back part. I'm going to do that now. Here is the mechanism. It just pops right in there, goes to both sides of the glass. I'm going to install all that now before I install the window, and then put everything back together. Alright guys, we got the back window installed on this Silverado. We got the mechanism brand new installed. Everything is installed. I just got to pick up my tools and then pick up the back seats. But let's check it out. Oh, looks good. Does need tint on the center. On the center glass, you can see. There she is. All done. Put the plastics back on, put everything back on, clean it up a little bit, and then should be good to go. All right guys, we got everything installed. We just got to cut off the strands. Check it out. That looks badass. We're gonna cut the strands off now, and then we should be ready to go. Call the customer out. All right guys, the install's done. This thing came out insane, badass. 750 lights. Starlights. Let's check it out. guys, that's it for the Silverado. Took a little longer than what I expected. Hooked the homie up, blacked out his consoles and his sun visors and handles and stuff. He didn't ask for it, but I hooked him up just to give him thanks for waiting. It did take a little longer than what I expected, but I appreciate you, bro. Safe trip back to Hobbs. Let me know if anybody else needs something, and let's get it on to the next one.